Do kids continue to analyze the world? Do they keep developing mathematical concepts on their own? Questions like these prompted Herbert Ginsberg, professor at Columbia Teachers College, to take a close look at preschoolers.
She could count dogs, and she carefully pointed her finger at each one and said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7.
Several years ago, I started to do observations in a daycare center in Manhattan. I started looking at their free play very closely to find out what they're doing on their own. It became evident to me that they were spending much more time than I ever would have expected doing interesting mathematical work. It's the kind of thinking they do when they are faced with certain kind of challenges.
Kids are thinking mathematically when they're counting how many peas there are on their plate. And they're thinking mathematically when they notice that a box fits inside another box, but it doesn't fit in this box over here. That's all mathematical thinking. It's good to see everyone today. We're going to do some stuff like we've done before.
Graduate student Anna Housley is helping Herb Ginsberg explore how 4-year-olds think about math.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All over New York City, from private daycare centers to this public school kindergarten,
Good job. That was a really good job.
they find the same surprising results.
We saw a lot of children just naturally want to count things. They like to count high. 68, 69. Who knows what number comes after 69? Daryl.
60, 10.
60, 10 is exactly right. It is. It's 60 plus another 10. But we don't say 60, 10.
70.
Thank you. 70 comes next.
Thank you. That big one.
And beyond counting, Ginsberg and his students find that children spend up to 50% of their playtime on activities that reflect their natural math sense. That includes things that are relatively easy to spot, like comparing sizes.
Give me a little one.
She knows the difference clearly between little ones and big ones.
And things that most parents might not recognize as mathematical, like identifying shapes.
Triangle. Another triangles are wrong.
Using spatial relations.
See, she knows she needs to support that. That was planned ahead.
And building with balance and symmetry. So, from infancy to preschool, children naturally develop more and more sophisticated concepts. These are firm foundations they can build on in the future. But in most places, for most kids, school doesn't build on their natural affinity for mathematics.